Hello from Slovenia again. Some time ago, I don't know, 2 or 1 week or even ago, I did this blowout things and I really want to try it again, but as I said before, I will kind of drizzle paint on the canvas and I will start just with titanium white. I will kind of do spirals, and my paint is not tin, but it's not thick neither. And I will add some Amsterdam greenish blue and some Payne's gray maybe. And of course pearl white. Because I want some lacing. Maybe I add too much of this one, I don't know. And go with aqua. And a little bit of this deep sapphire, extreme sheen. No, it's not extreme sheen, but it's DecoArt. And I will pour a little of this thin white here in the middle and blow this out. Let's see what will happen. And I split my cup here. So that's how it looks when you are in the mood. I will clean that later. I just see that I miss some paint here and I will just add some paint and maybe blow there. I will definitely work on my edges afterwards. I will just do these ones that are easy because you just bring some paint from the top to the bottom and it will flow. I love the colors together and I love that I have some white in the middle, but not as much as normal. And I kind of like this look. It's not a bloom technique, but it's similar, but a little different. I will just try to tail just a little of this off. have quite some paint left on the canvas, but I'm not worried about that, because I don't have problems with cracking with my pouring medium. And my paints today were just leftover paints with my pouring medium from previous pours, but I thinned them down. I will just give it a little quick torch and then I will take you for a close-up. I really like it, I have to say. Okay, here we are. If I go this way, there is no so much glare probably. So I will try to show you all these beautiful things happening here. See these multicolored cells. And these bigger ones here. Maybe I will get rid of this part here, you see, somehow. But I'm in love with this, I have to say, because it's, wow, so many gorgeous things, different things. Ooh. So I'm really happy with this one. Tell me what you think about it, if you want, of course. See you on the next one. Bye.